So today I'll be taking you guys to the Christmas market. I'm in Zurich, so I'm going to be showing you around the Christmas market in Zurich. So if you're new here, my name is Blessing Essay, and this is long. So stay tuned and enjoy this vlog. First, look at the street light. Isn't this beautiful? So hope you've enjoyed it so far. Like, it's so beautiful. I couldn't make a lot of videos because I didn't want to show people's faces. You know, I respect people's privacy a lot. But if you've enjoyed it so far, if you've enjoyed seeing the Christmas light and everything, please endeavor to like and share and subscribe. Thank you.